Hello, I'm Darrell Cartwright, a tax lawyer in Birmingham, Alabama. I'm excited to talk to you today about a special tax credit called the ERC, or Employee Retention Credit, that will be expiring soon. If you have a business that had 2 or more W-2 employees, up to 500, stay with me for 5 minutes, and I promise I'll make it worth your while. Now, what is the ERC? Well, the ERC is a fully refundable tax credit. Now, what does that mean? It means money. It means the IRS writes you a check based on what happened in 2020 and 2021, up to $26,000 per W-2 employee. That's right. If you had 2 to 500 W-2 employees in those years, you may be entitled to up to $26,000 per employee. Now, you may have heard about this and then disregarded it because you were either told you had to pick between the PPP or the ERC, or if you were even aware of a new law, you may have been told by your accountant or bookkeeper that, well, you didn't qualify. I'm here today to tell you that you probably do qualify. Let me explain. The CARES Act was pandemic relief legislation enacted in 2020 that provided most businesses with the ability to choose between a PPP, payroll protection loan, or the ERC, but not both. And that may have been what you were told, and after that you sort of forgot about it, because for most people the PPP was a lot better. But the law changed. The Consolidated Appropriations Act, for the first time, allowed businesses to be eligible to participate in both PPP and ERC simultaneously. Plus, businesses could retroactively claim the credit as well. Now, some knew about this, but they were told that, well, you have to have more than a 20% reduction in revenue during those years to qualify. I call that the accountant test. Some of you might qualify for that, and if you do, go to your accountant now and make sure they handle this for you. But most of us didn't qualify under the accountant test. Don't stop there. The next test I call the lawyer test. It doesn't have to do with numbers as much as it does with legal arguments. Things like, were you affected in some way by government laws or mandates or restrictions or whatever? Were your employees not able to work from home, or were your supplies limited, your supply chain? Things like that. Even if your revenue stayed the same, it didn't meet that 20% drop, or even if your revenue went up, you qualify. Now, let me be straight with you. This is complex legislation. It's law and tax all rolled into one, but it's something that tax lawyers do. It's something I can help you with. It's something I can look at for you at no cost to you and nothing to pay unless my team and I can recover those funds for you. I'd like to help you if I can. Call me at 205-222-5900. Email me at dc@cartlawalabama.com. And thanks for joining me today. I told you it wasn't going to be long. And I don't know about you, but up to $26,000 per employee is worth 5 minutes of my time. And I hope it was worth 5 minutes of yours. I look forward to talking to you soon.